Hey guys, it's Ree, but if you're new to my channel, my name's ADERIYIKE, and today I was thinking, I have all these lashes, and everyone's always asking me where I get my lashes from. Everyone's also always asking me what kind of lashes I'm wearing, and they're always, not always, 98.2% of the time, they're 25mm lashes. So I was like, why not show you guys my 25mm lash collection and also show you guys how it looks on really small eyes. Now on camera my eyes may look really big, but they're really low and super small in person. So when I wear long dramatic lashes, they're basically shut. I don't know what to say about that. I don't do drugs. I get enough sleep. I'm not tired, so I don't know what to say about that. My dad had really small chinky eyes, especially when I smile, my eyes disappear into its socket. So 2 months ago I spent about almost $200 on lashes from AliExpress, plus like a lash book to put everything in, because as you guys can see, lashes make everything better. I have a whole wall design for lashes, because lashes are the one thing that if there's not anything on my face, I could wear lashes and still be good. Like literally no eyebrows, no foundation, even with my acne scars, once I have lashes I'm good. I think that's for like a lot of people who wear lashes. So I was like, let me just show you guys what these lashes look like. I'm talking a lot, but let me tell you guys where these lashes are from. And I got these lashes off AliExpress. I'll leave the vendor down below. All I type in really, if I can't find the vendor, because I order off my sister's account, because my account gets blocked with my card, so I have to order off my sister or my other sister's account to try and get it. But I typed in 25mm lashes, the one that has the most order. I asked the lady, give me every single pair of 25mm lashes that you have in every style. I don't want anything less, all 25mm, and it was about 30 pairs. So it came obviously in the plastic, because when you order a lot, I asked for the plastic. I asked for it to be in like a lash book style. So this is basically how it came. I got the lash book off Instagram, but I got the white plastic off AliExpress. So these two, this one is full, but I have one on obviously, and the other ones are to be announced. I don't know what they are, but I was like, why not try on these lashes for people? So everyone wants to know where I got my lashes from. I don't have the style name. As you can see, they're not here. They're not anywhere. I don't know where they are, and I'm not about to match it up from picture to picture. So let me take these babies off. So, okay, so I'm going to try on. Are these going to focus? I'm going to try on these lashes first. Okay, so these are how these lashes look on me. Okay, so these are how these lashes look on me. They are so nice. Why haven't I wore them? I don't know. Do they look that big to you guys? Do they look like 25mm? Excuse my lash application, because I'm taking these off and putting them on. I don't think it's about to be the cleanest, but let me look down. Can you guys tell that they're 25mm? These are so nice to me. I feel like my eyes look a little bit more open. I'm not sleeping right now. I don't know. I love when my eyelashes touch my eyebrows when I look up. A vibe. A vibe. So what do you guys think about these lashes? I think next, these are 25mm, but it's like spared, what is it called, like spaced out. These lashes that are very popular on Instagram. So I'm gonna try these on right now. I might have to cut it though, because they're way too big. Okay, so these are the next ones. These are really like, these are pretty. These aren't all the way 25mm. I think they're only 25mm, like right here, like right in the middle. But these are really nice. What the hell? Excuse me, I've had these for 2 months, and this is the first time I'm just putting it on. So if you guys are shocked, I'm shocked too. Whoa, these are, wait, these are mad nice. Okay. Oh, this is where I start saying mad nice, mad cute, so pretty. So excuse my extensive vocabulary. But these look nice. What do you guys think? Let me look down. My lash application is going to be very trash. If I see anything down below, you're getting blocked, sis. Removed. Discarded. Alright, so next I'm going to try on these super dramatic. I hate one length lashes like those. If you really want to piss me off, give me a pair of one length lashes, and I'm sure I'm going probably might cry, because my eyes are so small that one length lashes, they just don't work out. Like, it has to have some type of variety. So So I'm probably gonna have to cut like what, half of the end off. Guys, I feel like I am wearing a all-purpose heavy duty winter coat on my eyes right now. Like, can you guys, it just has no rhythm, it has no beat, no variety. I don't see myself, you can't, what is actually going on? Like, you can't even see through these. I don't know, I might talk shit now. Your girl might be wearing it later, so I don't want to say too much, but when it comes to this, I have no feeling, I have no response, don't know what's going on. So next I'm gonna try on these are like the shorter, more, I guess, see, pattern, rhythm, variety, common sense. These are these lashes. So I might have to cut these. I need to take these off because everything got dark in my room. I don't know if the lights are on or if they're off right now. Okay, so these lashes, they're just like the other ones, but they're not as thick and they're also shorter. And I'm guessing the 25mm is towards the end. It looks like towards the end of the lashes. These aren't that bad. Some of these, like, not all lashes are meant for eyeshadow looks. Like, some of them are just too heavy, or some of them is just like you wear without makeup. Some of them you just wear with no eyeshadow and heavy makeup. I don't know. I don't wear, it's not like I can wear every single pair of eyelash with a look. These aren't bad. I could see these as like a heavy face with no eyeshadow. I need to see what these look like. These aren't bad actually. I think I'm gassing a little bit. I'm just gassing a little bit. I need to make sure these eyelashes don't get in my hair, but I like these. These aren't as dramatic, but it's still thick, it's full, and it doesn't have the one band windshield wiper type motion length. So I don't know, maybe I should rate these from like a 1 to a 3. 3 being damn bitch you're bad, 1 to being like damn bitch you're bad, like yikes, and then 2 being like I would have to decide when and where to wear, when to wear this, and where to wear this, and how to wear this. So this, I would give this a 2.5 minus 0.3. So next, let's see, I want to try on like dramatic lashes because what are natural lashes doing for me? So next I'm gonna do these lashes. These are long and these are, see, it's like spaced out, so I'm gonna try these right now. Okay, these are not bad. I definitely wouldn't wear it. I probably would not wear it with eyeshadow. If I look down, I haven't been looking down, I'm so sorry. I've been applying my eyelashes so quick, but these are, in my opinion, you know, we might not all have the same opinion, but these aren't bad. But I don't think I would wear these with eyeshadow. I feel like I would just have to wear it by itself so you can see through the lashes, because right now it looks like it has no dimension and you can't see through it. It's really hard to see through it. So I feel like no eyeshadow so you can really get through it, really get to the kids. So I would rate these lashes a 1.5. Like, lashes are 3 when you can wear it with and without makeup. Tip. So what's next? I'm gonna try on, should I try on the natural 25mm lashes? They look like this, very thin, like they're 25mm, right? Okay, these lashes, I won't lie, they're not dramatic, but they're not ugly. My lash band, or my lash eye band, is starting to look very confused. It doesn't know what's going on. There's black everywhere. But these lashes are, these lashes aren't ugly. Even though I wouldn't pick them normally, I could definitely be able to wear these on like my no makeup days with like just my eyebrows filled in and be good, because they're still long. They look like eyelash, the eyelash extensions, they're, when it's time to get a refill and they're falling out type eyelash extensions. But it's still nice though to me, and they're still long, still touch my eyebrows. I'm very okay with this. I'm gonna rate this a 2 because I still like my dramatic lashes when I'm not wearing makeup. So next I'm gonna try on these long. I'm gonna try on these super long lashes. I mean, aren't they all super long? I don't know if these they don't look the same to me. This eye looks a lot more like thinner, I guess, and this one looks a lot more dramatic. I don't know, it might be me, but I like these. I like this lash. I like these lashes. This is definitely a 3. Like, most definitely. These are long, they have design, variety, common sense, and I could wear them with and without makeup. They look like this. I hope you guys aren't too shocked when I look down, because these are 25mm, baby. Not everybody can wear these. These are long as fuck. But these are very pretty. I think I like these. These are a 3. I'm so happy with my results. Next is kind of like the same lash, but it's more... Ooh, my blue hair's on here. It's more spaced out. I hope you guys can really see the difference. And these are more fluffy. Yeah, the word is like fluffy. Okay, I figured out why the lashes kind of look different. Because like I'm not applying it as carefully as I would, because that would just take way too long. But these lashes are pretty to me. I like these. These would be like a... Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. I don't know if these are attached, but these would definitely be like a 2. There's like a different... When people can wear their lashes like this versus this, like wearing it up like this versus wearing it like this, and letting the natural curl come up like that. So, this is out here wilding, but... I would name these lashes, I would give these lashes like definitely like a 2. These aren't that bad to me. If I wore them properly, you can definitely see its potential. Wait, did I say a 3? Okay, 2.5. Lash book. Oh, we have these dramatic, super dramatic lashes. None like the other. I know these are gonna be bizom, which is bomb in English. Okay. So these lashes, I didn't cut them because it has like 5, if I look down, it has like 5 different clumps. What is going on? Okay, so these lashes have like 5 clumps. I'd probably have to cut like half the clump on this side and a little bit in the beginning. But I like these lashes. I'll give these like a 2.38955. They're really dramatic right now because they're not cut and they're really bothering my eye. But what do you guys think about these? I think these would be my last lashes. These are another sort of natural pair. And these are the last pair. These are definitely a 3. For some reason, they're not really 25mm, probably like 22, 23. What happened, AliExpress? But these lashes are really nice. When I look down, they're they have like length and design, and like, I don't know, they look really nice with my eyes, and I can see this without makeup. So this is definitely a 3. This was a great last pair of lashes. Let me know what you guys think about these lashes down below. I really like these lashes, but I don't know if they're my favorite, but I like these to end this video off with. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think down below about these lashes. For some people, it could be really overpowering, but I feel like the serious lash people, or the people that are into like lash extension look when you don't have makeup on, would love these lashes. I love all of these. I probably will not be going back to the less than 25mm wave unless there's some really bomb lashes, but I think 25mm lashes are my perfect length. So let me know what you guys want to see down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.